Hi guys, and welcome to another TeckWrap tutorial. My name is Noura. I'm from Simple Things by Noura Creates. Today we are going to make a Mother's Day inspired design, and we're going to use just some simple vinyls, and we're going to place it on this Libbey glass. We are going to need very few supplies, just the vinyls that we're going to use, transfer tape, your pin pen tool, some alcohol, rubbing alcohol to clean your surface that you're going to put your design on. And that's about it. So let's go look at the design and start this tutorial. So once the design is in Design Space, this is what it's going to look like. So I just want to separate those, the back layer from the front layer. So what I'm going to do is, I think these are grouped. Yes, so let me just ungroup these. Okay, ungroup this and ungroup this. So what I want to do is I want to make the back layer one, because see, if I click on make it right now, everything is going to be jumbled up like this. So I want to attach everything together. Just going to grab the colored bits. My gosh, I don't know why Design Space is doing this. Okay, so I think I got them all. Yes. All right, so I'm going to group these for now. Just keep them aside. This is what I want to work with. So I want to turn this into white, and I want to click on attach. Okay, so now since my design is going to be basically two colors, I'm going to attach these as well, and I'm gonna make it some sort of a pink color. Yep, I think that's okay. Now see, when we hit make it, you have one piece of color on each mat. Okay, now let's go ahead and cut this design. All right, here's a tip for your sanity. Weed on the mat. So I'm just going to pick up a corner. How simple was that? Okay. Just the last pieces here. All right, now let's prepare our glass. If you guys didn't know this, on the scraper of TeckWrap, you see those two grooves. If you don't have those stands that you can stabilize your glasses on, this does a great job. Okay, let's clean this. A few sprays of rubbing alcohol. Give it a wipe so that your vinyl adheres properly. Okay, now let's get some transfer tape. Okay, burnish from both sides. And when I'm peeling back the backing paper, I'm always peeling at an angle so that the vinyl releases easily. There we go. Alright, now let's stick our first layer. To make it easier, bend your transfer tape like this so that you just adhere a small part in the beginning. Okay, once I adhered the middle part, then just slowly lay it down on both sides. Okay, give it a little bit of a burnish. And then peel back. Whoops, we missed the star. Let me just put that there. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Okay, now just peel back at an angle. Okay. Now we're going to take a parchment paper and just lay the design on it so that we can maneuver this without sticking the whole thing down. Okay, let me just get up and close. I think that looks good. It won't be centered, it'll be sort of offset to the side. Once I stick the top part, I will slowly remove the parchment paper. So because our top part is already stuck, so it's not going to move anywhere and the placement is going to be exactly where we wanted it to be. Give it a burnish. This vinyl color is beautiful. And remove. All right, here's our final product. It looks so cute. Don't forget, these glasses come with straws. And that's the final look. All right, I hope you guys like this tutorial. I will see you in the next one.